In this lecture, we are getting started with the Google Actions console. So let's discuss what is this console. You can access the console by going to the URL console.actions.google.com, and all you need is a Google account to get started. Actions on Google is the platform for developers to extend the Google Assistant. You can develop actions to engage users on Google Home, Pixel, and other services where the Google Assistant is available. So you could build out an action, for example, so that users can turn on a light bulb via the Google Assistant. The user would say, "Hey Google, turn off the light bulb," and then your action would be able to handle that request. So we're going to create a new project to represent our action. You can check out the documentation, sample code, API reference, and get support for actions on Google. The documentation is at Google Developers, developers.google.com/assistant. Here we have a lot of information of what we can do, how we can integrate with the Google Assistant. There are ways to build, ways to extend your mobile app, ways to build conversations, enhance your web presence, connect to smart home devices, and also some examples. You can also explore all of the actions that are available, for example, art and lifestyle. You can use Google search, get info about TV programs, facts about film directors, get style recommendations, check horoscopes, connect with religion, find beauty services, get decor and DIY ideas, find a date, find local events, read quotes, and more. There's also business and finance to check your investment portfolio, check financial markets, get information about businesses and organizations, find financial services, check account balances, find a job, test your bot, manage investments, track your business performance, find a credit card, manage payments, check your credit score, track expenses, file taxes, check business news, play business podcasts, check product prices, and more. Under communication and social, you can make a phone call, manage messages, make video calls, manage contacts, manage emails, call for help, chat with a bot, find events, check social media, find friends and family, meet new people, share on social media, and more. For education and reference, you can get information about history and events. You can convert units, get information about people, use Translate, get information about technology, learn a language, learn skills, develop your vocabulary, get trivia, get more information, find schools, get information about government, read poetry, help with math and science, and read books, and more. Under food and drink, you can find food and drink, find recipes, get nutritional facts, order food, make a reservation, check a menu, find drink recipes, manage your meal plan, find nightlife, and more. Under games and fun, you can play games, play trivia games, tell jokes, get to know the assistant, get trivia, play puzzle games, play educational games, get your fortune, get a story, play fun sounds, get random numbers, play board games, play role-playing games, play strategy games, and more. Under health and fitness, you can get information about health and medicine. You can start an exercise, diagnose symptoms, get nutritional facts, track exercise, find health providers, track nutrition and weight, find calm, track sleep, make a doctor's appointment, find gyms and fitness classes, and more. Under kids and family, you can get a story, play games, take a quiz, have fun, and play more games. Under local, you can find services like find a gas station nearby, find events, places of worship, government services, event tickets, and more. Under movies, photos, and TV, you can play videos, manage photos, play TV shows, movies, find movies and TV shows, get information about media, check movie show times, play live TV, play YouTube, and take photos. You can then also interact with music and audio. You can play music, podcasts, radio, sounds, manage your playlists, tune an instrument, get song info, buy performance tickets, get music lessons, play audiobooks, more podcasts, and similar. Under news and magazines, you can check the news, check top news stories, business news, political news, technology news, so checking the news in different categories. Under productivity, you can manage your calendars. You can check your agenda tomorrow, set alarms, set timers, manage reminders, check the time, manage personal info, manage lists, manage files, remember information, schedule appointments, find your car, and control your phone settings. Under shopping, you can manage shopping lists, shop for groceries, find stores, shop arts and crafts, shop different categories. Under shopping, in the smart home category, you can control lighting, control appliances and fixtures, control home security, temperature and air, entertainment systems, home electronics, computer and peripherals, and more. Under sports, you can check sports scores, schedules, recreation, buy tickets, and similar. Under travel and transport, you can get directions, check traffic, find transportation, check flights, get information about places, book a ride, find attractions, control your car, get recommendations, find lodging, rent a bike, and more. Under weather, you can check the weather, check wave conditions, air quality, snow conditions, wind conditions, and similar. If you liked this video, then go to training.mammoethinteractive.com. We have tons more content on blockchain, web development, machine learning, and much more. We also have a membership for just $19 a month where you can get access to our 372 course bundle and counting.